and Mrs. North, starring Barbara Britton and Richard Denning. Pam North often says she likes New York City because it's so exciting. The East River, Broadway, Central Park. And overlooking the park are some of the more luxurious apartment homes in which some people live quite differently from Pam and Jerry. For instance, even racetrack bookies such as Dutch and Queenie Mandel.
Running out, eh?
Listen, Queenie, I have to. If I want to live, I do. And nothing changes that desire. You'd understand if you could see Crossett's face. It doesn't look like Whistler's mother.
Do you know what you're doing? You're leaving me holding the sack. If they don't find you, they find me. And if I can't finger you, well, I get it.
Look, I've tried everything in the book. I even asked Fowler to help. No soap. He thinks I gave Crossett a double cross. I didn't, but Crossett's out $100 grand. I tipped him on a fix that went the wrong way, and that's a frame in his book.
Where are you going?
No one will ever find out, not even you. That's Crossett, don't answer it. I said don't answer it.
Dutch! Dutch! Hello.
Gramercy 3, 8099. This is Miss Cartwell with the telephone company. As notified, we are rezoning the units in your district.
So what do you want from me?
Instead of Gramercy 3, 8099, you will now have Gramercy 2.
Oh, yes, Miss Cartwell. One moment, please. Jerry, give me your pencil. It's the phone company with our new number. All right, Miss Cartwell. Gramercy 3, 8099. Thank you very much. Man will be around later with a new doing key.
Yeah. Bye, dear.
Now, be careful crossing streets.
I will.
And don't breathe in the crowded elevator.
I won't.
And call me as soon as you get to the office.
I will. Goodbye.
Hello?
This is Gramercy 3, 8099.
Hello, Queenie. This is Scratch.
Who?
Scratch.
Wait to hear the news. I got a bundle for your old man. $5 grand from Fowler.
Where is he?
Well, he just went out the door, but I'll take the bundle.
Good. What's the address?
24 St. Anne's Place, apartment 408. Thank you, Mr. Scratch.
I just talked to Queenie. Boy, if this was mine, I'd sure be living.
Not for long.
Don't worry, Mr. Fowler. I'm just dreaming.
All right, Miss Pennington. What's on the calendar this morning?
The correspondence, Mr. North, you promised.
Oh. Yeah, I guess I did, didn't I? Well.
Hello?
Ready with late track reports. First at Hialeah.
Oh, by the way, Miss Pennington, we have a new phone number at home. Here.
Oh.
I think I'll try it, see if it works. Gramercy 3. What's that?
8099.
Yeah. 8. Oh.
Moving to the fourth. Scratch Lulu Lady, Dumpling Dan, and Salamando.
There must be some mistake. Will you please get off the line?
It's busy. Yeah, Gramercy 38099. All right. Beard and Alden, bookbinders. 214 Wall, etc. Gentlemen. I think I'll try Pam again.
Moving to the sixth.
Hello? Hello? Hello?
Any answer, Crossett?
Yeah, Queenie. That means the Dutch will be alone. Unless the tip is on the square and you're going to blow town. Well, you got almost an hour to kill.
Hello?
Well, a painting in the flesh. Ooh la la.
Who are you?
Scratch.
Oh, the man with the bundle.
Who can she be talking to? Where was I?
$5,000. But who's it for?
Your husband, Natch. How about giving me a receipt? Something that reads that the clams pass from my hand to yours.
Oh, yes, of course.
Well, I ain't one to shy from a day's work. You run a very classy factory. Let's see. First of the banner. Yeah. Well, we'll bet 10 to win and 40 to show on poke and pen.
Here you are, Mr.
Then we'll...
Scratch.
Hold it, I'm in conference. And I'll parlay that over to... Yeah. File my bets by post time, baby.
Post time?
Yeah, and don't forget, Havana's off early today.
Oh, here's your receipt, Mr. Scratch.
Thanks. By the way, if you ever get dropped into a claiming race, let me know. My stable ain't so classy, but it's cozy. Oh, that daylight kills me. Gotta put on me blinkers.
Oh, dear. Jerry North, I want to know what's going on. Who in the world can you be talking to? Hello?
I'm at Grand Central, Queenie. My train leaves in half an hour.
Listen to me, Queenie. I can't walk out on you. I was wrong. Just to live isn't much of a desire.
We'll get by. Throw some things in a bag. There's still time. Hello. Is this Gramercy 38099? Who are you? Who am I talking to?
Hello?
Yeah, this is Wagon. What? Shot? Is he dead? Grand Central Station, huh? All right, I'll be right over.
Central Police Station? Lieutenant Bill Wigan, please. This is Pam North.
Sorry, Mrs. North. He just left for Grand Central Station on a murder investigation.
Oh, I see. Thank you. Hello?
They're off and running at Havana. Poke and Penn taking the lead. Sad Sam's sister, Tari Terry.
He was on the phone when the slug caught him.
Please let me through. I'm Pam North, and I must see Lieutenant Wigan.
And what are you doing here?
Oh, the poor man, he...
Yeah. You know, I'd give my day off to know who he was talking to before this thing happened.
Oh, Bill?
Now, please, Pam.
But, Bill, I can tell you who he was talking to.
You can?
Yes. He was talking to me.
Pam? Hey, Pam, what's been going on? You know, you owe me a retread job on a dialing finger. The phone's okay. 10 to win, 40 to show on Poke and Penn. Parlay to Campfire. Pam North, are you playing the horses?
Oh. Hiya, chum. Looks like I'm going to give you a bath.
Just what are you going to give me?
A bath, Buster, in the dough I win. Where's Queenie?
Queenie? Oh, I see. You've got the wrong apartment. The wrong floor, maybe. Well, sorry. No harm done.
Oh, you're off your rocker. What's the patter?
Now, look, there is no Queenie here. My name is Jerry North, and my wife's name is Pam. We live alone and like it.
Pamela North?
Pamela. You gave my wife $5,000?
Yeah.
Well, there's some mistake, but don't worry. You'll get it back.
Oh, well, that's nice. I'll get it back.
Yes.
Look, Buster, let's stop playing games. Queenie took my bets. Poke and Penn wins and turns on the water for your bath. And if Campfire Boy should romp in, the tub will be overflowing.
But you don't seem to understand. Hello.
Ready with the third at Havana. They're off and running.
Sorry, wrong number.
Don't do that.
Now, wait a minute.
Listen.
Cuddles Date taking the lead. Fondly yours. Stolen base. George's Pride and the Flipper. Campfire Boy is trailing way back.
Did you say Campfire Boy?
Ah, that dog.
It's the Flipper. It's George's Pride, and it's Campfire Boy.
Come on, Flipper. Campfire Boy.
George's Pride, it's Campfire Boy.
Come on, George's Pride. Campfire Boy.
It's Campfire Boy.
You're up to your neck in the tub, Buster.
Oh, Pam, what have you got us into this time?
The official sign is up.
Waiting for the price. Here is the news flash of interest. Dutch Mandel, well known in racing circles, was just murdered.
Dutch Mandel. Murdered.
Who?
Suddenly, I don't like being here. Maybe I'm confusing.
Well, look, so am I. Now let's start with the $5,000 you paid Pam.
Planet. That's what I was. When a guy like Dutch Mandel gets bumped off, you gotta look out for your health. And being found in his apartment is a disease I don't want no part of.
Yeah, but what about the $5,000? Oh, Pam.
Just heard.
What?
Dutch Mandel, murdered.
What? Where?
Grand Central Station in a phone booth. Well, don't look so worried. We've all got to get it one way or the other. In case anybody's curious, I've been here over an hour.
You want to see me, Mr. Fowler?
You bet I do. What about the bundle?
Like you said, I delivered it.
To who?
Queenie.
Did you see anybody else?
Not then. Later.
From here?
I never seen the guy before in my life. Honest.
We we have a problem, Jerry?
Yes, the $5,000.
Oh, yes, Mr. Scratch. Who can he be, and how can we get the money back to him?
Now, Pam, you don't just run around with $5,000. That's the third at Holly Park.
Hello?
Queenie answered.
Hello?
Hello, Queenie. This is Scratch. Considering the curve of events, I gotta pick up the bundle.
It's Mr. Scratch about the $5,000.
Good. Now, where do we take it?
Yes, we have it, Mr. Scratch. Now, where do we take it?
Well, thanks, Queenie. You're real regular. I tell you what I'll do.
Who are you talking to?
Queenie.
That's Queenie.
Well, I'm bewildered and bewitched.
Please, Mr. Fowler, I've told from the Bible.
Gunner, stay with him.
Doesn't look like it's counterfeit either. Too bad. Otherwise, we could throw it away.
Bong!
Pam, what is it?
Don't disturb me, Jerry. Ding, 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 ding. Ding, 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 ding. Ding, 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 ding. Ding, 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 ding. Tilt.
Pam!
Come on, Jerry. I know where we can find Mr. Scratch.
Hurry, hurry. Fun on 42nd Street. Glorified and glamorified in the movies.
Hear that voice? The only thing that's missing is a machine gun. There it is. See?
Yeah, but I don't see Scratch.
Check the dame outside.
Out of order. Can't you read?
Of course. I was waiting for someone.
Who?
Queenie. She's a friend of mine.
Wait there.
Jerry. Jerry.
Come on in. The door's open, our friend of Queenie's.
You're just in time for the 5th at Holly Park.
Oh, thank you. That's just what I had in mind.
All right, they're going to the post at Holly Park. Now, here's the latest rundown. Post position number 1, Heather Boy. Jackie Perkins, 4-1. Post position number 2, the favorite. Sir Helpless. Monaco up, 6-5. Post position number 3, Lady Gaddy. McGovern and Jackie.
Sorry, Chief. I just let in a stiff. Her door opener was being a friend of Queenie's.
Closed down for the day.
But, boss, maybe she's just a tourist.
Who found Queenie's name and our address in a guidebook? We're closing down for the day, ladies. Everybody out, please. That goes for you, too, Queenie. I want to know why you came here.
Mr. Scratch.
Who?
Mr. Scratch. He gave me a bundle. He thought I was you, and I guess it was meant for your husband, but I thought it was meant for Jerry.
What was in the bundle?
$5,000.
All right, I'll get the bundle for you.
Well, get it and bring it back.
Sure, from now on, I hate the stuff. Hey, Scratch. Please, mister, I got...
Chum, pal, where's Queenie? Where's the money?
Don't worry, I got it right here. Oh, am I glad to see you.
Now let's see Crossett. You too, Fowler. Sonny boy, you're in on a party, too.
Dutch was a good Joe. I just tried to help him out of town.
Yeah, with my 100 G's.
No.
The joint's crawling with cops.
Now, just keep quiet, everybody.
Maybe they'll go away, huh?
All right, hold it, everybody. Don't move.
Sorry, you don't know our Bill Wigan like we do. Are you surprised to see Jerry and me here, Bill?
No, not particularly. I use Gramercy 3809992.
Sounds like a lot of numbers.
No, I have the lines checked. The 6th race at Holly Park brought us right to the door.
Who win it?
Mrs. Mandel, was there an attempt made on your husband's life? Is that why he was leaving town?
Yes. Hugo Crossett was out to get him.
Where were you at the time he was killed?
In the apartment. I didn't leave until I heard the news over the radio.
Mr. Crossett, where were you at the time Mandel was murdered?
Right here.
That's a lie. He told me about the murder and asked me to fix him an alibi.
Where were you, Mr. Crossett?
I stopped by Queenie's apartment, but she wasn't home.
Well, perhaps I didn't hear the bell.
Oh, I had this. You weren't there.
Where were you before you went to the apartment?
Grand Central Station.
Jerry, listen to me.
Where were you?
When?
When Dutch Mandel was murdered.
Grand Central Station.
Oh, Bill.
Just a moment, Pam. So you admit you're at the scene of the crime?
It's a big station.
Where were you? Don't tell me. Grand Central Station.
Hey, Bill, listen to Pam a minute.
Bill, you don't have to go through all this rigmarole.
I don't.
No. Mrs. Mandel killed her husband. Mr. Mandel told me so on the phone. Well, he as much as did. I said hello, and he called me Queenie. So I said something more, and he called me Queenie again. Then he did all the talking until suddenly he stopped and wanted to know to whom he was talking. That's because he saw the real Queenie walk up to the booth. What's that old saying about cats? It's too bad Mr. Mandel was so curious about me.
Why, you little...
Good night, darling.
Oh, good night, Jerry. I'll handle this. It's impossible.
You pulled out the wrong cord. I'll take care of that.
Jerry? Jerry, I'm cold. There's something wrong with my electric blanket.
Mr. and Mrs. North is directed by Ralph Francis Murphy. A John W. Loveton production. Produced by Federal Telefilms. Starring Barbara Britton and Richard Denning, featuring Francis DeSales. This has been a film presentation.